Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's me, Robert Anthony, and today we have got a product to review that I'm going to share with you. Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. I am Robert Anthony, your host here at Rob the RV Guy. If you don't know, I am a registered RV repair technician, and we specialize in installing custom solar in RVs. That's what we want to build our focus around. But being a full-time RVer and having a YouTube channel, I'm often asked if I would take a look at a product or perhaps review it. Well, when we owned our flower shop years and years ago, the owner of the building put in the Schlage push button locks. There were a couple of times where keys had gotten left behind and misplaced, and it created some issues with regard to getting back into the shop at night if we needed to. And it was real nice to have a programmable keypad. These are kind of the thing, if you go to the hardware store, you see a lot of these programmable keypads. Well, I had a company called Onnais, it looks like to me, and they asked me if I would be interested in having them send me one of their programmable keypad locks, and if I would install it on the Bigfoot and kind of give it a review and see what I think. So what we're going to do today, we're going to unbox this product, and in the unboxing we're going to make an install and we're going to make it operational and see how that's going to work for me, and whether or not I feel like it's worthy of recommending to you if you live in an RV and you want a programmable keypad to be able to gain access to your RV. So let's get into the unboxing and then the installation. So the product seems packaged quite well. Let's open it up. I gotta put my glasses on to see what we have here. So inside the box, you seem to be like a tissue tape. It must be some kind of an insulator. Got your quick start video, quick start guide video, and your quick start guide. All things programming. It's funny, the English in these is pretty bad sometimes. All right. So we have the lock itself, the locking mechanism itself. This, of course, goes on the outside. What do we have in here? We've got the door jamb, the strike plates. These must be the batteries, that's my guess. Nope. Comes with a couple of remotes. So you have a remote that will apparently lock it and unlock it. If you have even two locks, to a front and a back door. So we only have one, so we're only going to need one. But if we're so lazy that we don't even want to get the key out, well, we have two key fobs that we can put on our key ring so we can push a button like in a car. So that's kind of cool. So I'm going to watch the video and I'll be back and we'll go over putting this dude in. QR code. This QR codes are kind of a nuisance in my book. All right. Scan this. All right. Onnais Alloy SE user guide, pro user guide. Lots of different things that they sell here. So they sell firearm stuff. There we go. Door lock. Full install and setup. Gun safes. Wow, they have a lot of security things. That's awesome. Let's do this. All right, we're going to watch this, and then we'll be back. All right, so I've watched the video. I'm not actually going to go over the full install in putting this product on the Bigfoot, because if you were to choose to buy this product, they have a link that sends you through to their installation video, and honestly it's very straightforward and very helpful. The company itself it does a lot of safes, gun safes, RV and door lock type security. I was thinking they were an American-based company based on the emails that I received, but it would appear, based on what I was able to see, that they are in fact a Chinese-based company. So I'm not really thrilled about that, but I would prefer an American brand for something like this. Really, for everything that I do, I would prefer an American brand, but nevertheless, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process of installing this and making it functional and operational and let you know what I think about it. Based on the installation video, I do believe that it is going to be a great addition to the Bigfoot. So we're going to go through that process now. Just going to take this apart and take the original factory one off of the Bigfoot, put this on. I have to go to the store and get batteries. They did not send it with batteries, but that's okay. We'll make it work regardless. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off the old lock. So we're going to remove the Phillips head screws. Take that off first. All right, product off. We got our factory cut hole here. We're going to use our existing strike plate. And let's put that baby on and see how that works. So we're going to fish this in and hope that we can get it in here without much of an incident. Tight fit. All right. Hey Joelle, I'm going to need your help. I just need your hands to hold this. I need you to stand where I am. And right now these are right where they need to be. So put your hand nice and firm over here.
Which hand?
Right hand.
Okay.
You have to hold that in. And then you need to put your other hand here. And hold those together, just like that. Keep holding it. All right, thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome.
All right, so let's see now. I have it together, screwed all in and everything. Let's see if the door stays. Yeah, nice tight fit. Okay, unfortunately, they didn't send AA batteries, which you need 4 to make this combiner or the combination lock work. So I'm going to the store. I'll be back in about 25 minutes. All right, so far so good. I have the batteries now. We're going to put them in this compartment right here, and we're going to adjust our strike plate a little bit because the door is just a bit tight. So once we do that, we're going to program it, and we'll be back. Well, that's going to about do it for our Onnais RV lock security lock. The key fobs also have a manual key, which is nice, that you use right here should your battery go bad or you have to manually open the lock. It works beautifully. Ours was an easy install. If you go to their suggested QR code, the video is very helpful in getting it installed. I wish they had sent batteries, but the keypad lights up at night. It works by code. You just push this button here and it locks closed, or you can actually use your key fob. So right now we're in the locked position. We're going to unlock it, and it's unlocked. So you can see here. So this is your back side. This is where your batteries go. This is all of your programming and buttons that you can turn off and on. And this is your manual lock from the inside at night. But you can see pushing the key fob activates the deadbolt. See how fast that goes closed? And pushing it again disengages it. And of course the same thing holds true on the exterior as well by using the combination. The programming manual, which came with the device, it's very thorough. It's written easy to understand. The instructions are straightforward. It really is, in my view, really just a great setup. I'm going to put a link for this in the description below. It will link through to our Amazon account. We are an Amazon affiliate, so we may earn a commission if you choose to purchase it, but I think it's about 150 bucks. It's really a great deal. It's very well made, seems very secure. The company does do a lot of work in gun safes, locking mechanisms for doors, as well as the RV space. They have a lot that you can look at. I'll put a link to their website in the description below, but I'm really happy with this. I think I feel confident recommending it to you guys. Of course, I'll let you know if it becomes a problem, but works flawlessly. It's solid, very easy to install, great instructions, good packaging. I think they did it right, and I can confidently say you might want to give this a try if you're a full-timer, especially like us. This is very handy because the need for a key is now gone, and you've got the security of the padlock or combination lock, if you will, as well as 2 key fobs, which are included. One for Rob and one for Joelle. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that you might consider purchasing this. Maybe you know somebody that's in the RV world and they live full-time. This would be a great Christmas present, as Christmas is actually shortly approaching. So, hey, I'm Rob, your host here at Rob the RV Guy. I love doing RV stuff for you guys, and I'm glad that you're here. As we close this video out, this video is a video that YouTube thinks that you want to see next. This playlist here is all things RV modifications, and of course, if you click the circle, you're subscribed, as you know. I would love to have you on board. Till next time, I'll see you. Rob out.